Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove someone from Snapchat group. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, just head over to your chat box by tapping the chat box icon just beside the filter icon. Once you're there, head over to your group. Suppose I have made this group and there are some people in this group that are members, you can say. And then head over to the group icon, group name. Here, if you scroll down, you will find the group members. So if you keep tapped on a person, you will get this layout. And here you will find the option of remove from group. If you tap on remove from group, that specific person will be removed from the group and they will be removed. As I don't want to remove them right now, I'm not tapping on remove. So yeah, this is how you can just do that. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.